Hi guys, this is Anders, DVD VHS of these here, and today I'm going to show you my Monkeys VHS and DVD collection. Let's get started. First up is Monkey Volume 2. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the video. And so it shows the scenes, and Monkey DVDs available to buy. Monkey Volume 1, Monkey Volume 2, Monkey Volume 3, and Monkey Volume 4. Next one is Curious George 1, 2006 DVD. Is the front, spine, and the back. Bonus features arriving Curious car. Disc. Next one is Curious George 2, Follow That Monkey, 2009 DVD. George's next exciting adventure is the front, spine, in the back. Bonus features are interactive DVD game. Hold on, here we go. Music video. Here's the disc. Next one is Curious George 3, Back to the Jungle, 2015 DVD. All new movie goes front, spine in the back. All new full-length movie. Here's the disc. It's a blue disc. Disc blue. Next one is Into My Life. Baby Einstein, The World Animals, 2004 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Special features: repeat playing language tracks are Spanish, French, and English. Discovery cards, public shares, and toy chest. Here's the disc and a booklet. It's front, back. And the parents' guide. And the last one is Baby Da Vinci From Head to Toe, 2004 DVD. Eye, ear, and mouth. It's front, spine, and back. Boy and girl. Special features are repeat playing language track, Spanish and French. Discovery cards, the 5 senses. Public shares, story time with Mimi's toes, and toy chest. Disc. This is the wrong. And the pants guide. Okay guys, that's it. So, if you like my content, please click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.